Lesson 11. Reconstruction of the Kaaba. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Allahumma akhrijna min zulumatil wahm wa akrimna binuril fahm. Allahumma iftah alayna abwaba rahmatik wanshur alayna khazaina ulumik birahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Welcome to Lesson 11, Reconstruction of the Kaaba, of Module 1, Pre-Prophetic Period of the course on Siratun Nabi. In the previous lesson about marriage with Khadija, we have learned that the young Muhammad, salawatullahi wa salamuhu alayhi wa alih, traded in such a way that the goods earned more profit than expected in Syria. And yet he was praised for his integrity, honesty, and generosity. Khadija was very much impressed. And only 2 months after his return to Makkah, he was married to Khadija. He was 25 years of age, while Khadija was 40 and a widow. Flood in Makkah. In about 605 Common Era, when the Holy Prophet was 35 years old, a flood swept Makkah and the building of the Kaaba was badly damaged. The Quraysh decided to rebuild it, of course. And when the walls reached a certain height, a dispute arose between various clans as to whom should the honor of placing the black stone or Hajar al-Aswad in its place go. This dispute threatened to assume serious proportions, but at last it was agreed upon that the first person to enter the precincts of the Kaaba the next morning should arbitrate this issue. It so happened that the first person was none other than the Holy Prophet. The Quraysh were pleased with the turn of the events because the Prophet was well recognized as the trustful and trustworthy personality, al-amin, as-sadiq. The Holy Prophet put his own robe on the ground and put the black stone on it. He told the disputing clans to send one representative each to hold the corners of the robe and to place it and to raise it. When the robe was raised to the required level, he took hold of the stone and put it in its place. This was a judgment which settled the dispute to the satisfaction of all the parties. At this time, the Holy Prophet had entered into several business partnerships. And remember, he was the husband of Khadija, the wealthiest lady in the whole of Makkah, and always acted with great integrity in his dealings with his partners. Abdullah, son of Abu Hamza, narrates that he had entered into a transaction with the young Muhammad. Its details had yet to be finalized when he had suddenly to leave, promising that he would return soon. When after 3 days he went again to the spot, he found the young Muhammad waiting for him. Muhammad did not remonstrate with him. He just said that he had been there for all those 3 days waiting for him. Saib and Qais, who also had business transactions with him, testified to his exemplary dealings. People were so impressed by his uprightness, integrity, by the purity of his life, his unflinching fidelity, and his strict sense of duty that they called him al-amin, or the trusted one. Next meeting, we will deal with the age of ignorance or Yawmul Jahiliyyah, inshallah. For more similar lessons, subscribe to Wayfaring with Mansoor. Thank you. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.